Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. I'm going to explain exactly why it has been so long and what is next for my channel. So if you want to know all this, make sure that you stick around, subscribe to my channel because I will be sending way more content, or publishing more content I should say. So make sure that you stick around. The very first thing is, I decided that I wanted to make a video every single day. But sometimes things don't go as, you should. And I went away, I didn't have time to publish a video. Obviously, all of these are just excuses, but that is what happened. So once you start falling off your goal like this and, stop publishing videos every single day, you already missed a day, then you start to fall off. So that's one advice I have for you that I learned doing this, is that you never want to fall off, because otherwise it gets really hard to get back into it. So after that, I stopped for a while and, I really got comfortable, which is another thing that you don't want to do. And so, I just stopped. But during this process, I also realized that, it's a great opportunity to actually think back on what I'm doing, what is wrong with my channel, what's good about it, what I want to keep doing, and what I want to do more of. Because when you're so focused on posting a video every single day, doing that every day, sometimes you start to forget the bigger picture of what you should actually be doing. So this is what I did. I started to think about it, and this is where is my channel actually going to go from now. So what I did is I decided that, okay, my channel, I love putting out the content that I'm putting out, so I'm going to keep doing that, keep on helping people how to make money online and all that stuff that goes around with it. Those things that go around with it are, sometimes talking about sales funnels, because if you're doing affiliate marketing or any money online, whatever it may be, if you're doing e-com and things like that, you want to be able to send emails, because that is, everything that is like, that's the most important part. And I've said this before, but I've never actually talked about how to actually create a sales funnel. So this is what I'm going to create more of. I'm going to help people actually make some tutorials on how to actually create, sales funnels, because there are very few videos out there actually doing that. And, some of them are outdated, were good at the beginning, but they've been years off. So I'm going to do way more of that. So speaking of that, this is actually what's going to happen this week. This week, I'm going to put out videos about, all my videos this week, because I want to catch up, is going to be, how to make sales funnels, because this is extremely important. So I'm not going to do only that all the time. I'm going to keep doing the videos that I've always been doing, but this week I'm going to focus on that. In fact, I've already filmed these videos, so they're going to come out. So from tomorrow on, this week, this is only like that is the only content that's going to come out. After that, I will keep on, doing that. Maybe it's going to be a week of content on that, then a week of something else. Maybe it's going to be a day. It really depends on what I'm going to put out. If it's a series, then I'll do it every day. If it's just a video, then I'll do it one day. So it's really going to depend. There's no exact time, date, or anything like that. But, that is what's going to happen. So next week, I'm going to explain everything. Also, tomorrow I'm going to be doing a giveaway, because I'm coming back, so I want, to give back. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to give away some money, so make sure you check that out. So this is going to be tomorrow, and after that, I'm just going to keep doing content like I've always been doing, also combined with some sales funnels. So I really hope that you're looking forward to it. I sure am. I'm going to keep doing that. I'm not sure that I'm going to be putting out a video every single day, because those videos take me a bit more focus, a bit more time to actually produce. So it might take you know, a bit more time. So I'm not exactly sure, but I will sure be doing at least 3 videos a week, probably more than that. So anyway, this coming week it's going to be every day, or at least, yeah, every day. I've got 4 videos filmed, so no doubt they'll be every day of the week, not including the weekends, because, you know, I want to focus on, you know, producing some quality content instead of just quantity. So with that being said, this was my video for today. Make sure that you come back for tomorrow's giveaway and, you know, some great content. So I'll see you in that video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.